Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome for another video. It's your boy KNX here for another video, and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you a little bit of my work. So I finished this work in I think it was 3 hours. Yes, in 3 hours, and it's a really cool work and workflow that I have made on this video. And if you want to know more about it, just stick till the end. And in the end you can see the final render of this project. And if you want to see more close and check on more details, you can go on my Instagram account knx__official, and there you're gonna have this project already published there for you to see. And if you are a Patreon and or if you want to be a Patreon of this channel and support the channel to grow, don't forget to go check it out, my Patreon page, because there it will be provided to you the blend file of this project for you to see everything that I have made and how I made this project. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe the channel. We are almost reaching the 1000 subs. That's really cool, guys. We are almost there. And if you want to see this channel grow and to see this channel have more audience and a bigger community, don't forget to give a like and subscribe the channel. Alright guys, so I see you in the next video. Bye.
Maybe I got some place to go. Ever think about that? Maybe I'm just lost again. Yeah, I think about that. All of a sudden it's time to think again. So before I sink back to my senses, I would like to run, to run away. 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 I'm looking for a place that's infinitely hipper than where I've been. I'm craving a nice space, I've had the right pace, yeah. This small time drama when no one thinks they're me. Let me tell you something, none of us are clean. I would like to run, to run away. 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 Now a mind at sea is a clever endeavor, 'cause feelings are buried treasure. Surprise you find, disappointment mired in rage. And now it's all a wash. Other people have so much to say, I can barely think sometimes. And I would like to run, to run away. 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 I would like to run, to run away.
perfect guy. I can't have a bad temper, make a big fuss and cry. And I know that lately it's been hard, we had a bumpy ride. But if you give me one more chance, I make it effortless. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast for we're clone. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love. Our love has given us wings, and we're supposed to go high. But life got in the way, and we forgot to fly. And now I think that we're ready to finally leave the nest. We'll take a little leap of faith, and I will do the rest. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast for we're clone. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast for a clone. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love.
This world, it's so unkind. One day you're king, the next you're crucified. What good is true without love? What good are we if just flesh and blood? In this world, it's so cruel. You think you won the game and they've gone and changed the rules. But maybe I'm just a fool to believe there's something beautiful inside of you and me. But how long must I wait to see this world change? Oh, I long for the day that my tears are gone, and each day that goes by, oh, I watch evil rise, and it's getting harder to find where beauty belongs. This world, it's so dark, it loves to stomp the fire out of every broken heart. But if I refuse to let this flame in me die, so I can light the world up, one spark at a time.
Dia de nuvens no céu, trânsito atolando o chão, preso numa água cheia, na concha fugindo do som. Já à beira de sumir, afundo na maré que vem. O motorista me sorri e diz: viver pode ser simples, dia para ser feliz. Tirando um tempo sobre a mão, a casa que perde pis. Ouvindo um fim preto branco, e as nuvens a passar no céu flutuar. As coisas não vão se encaixar se você se cobrar demais. Tente não se enganar, que assim vai dar. Então quando a coisa aperta e tudo estiver por um triz, lembre o que ele diz. Viver pode ser simples, dia para ser feliz. Tirando um tempo sob a mão, a canção que perde pis. Ouvindo um fim preto branco, e as nuvens a passar